Have you ever looked at sperm, someone's eye or tongue through a microscope? Or have you ever looked at everyday objects under a microscope? Also, have you ever seen how leaves of a plant eat? Let's explore some amazing scenes under the microscope today. Firstly, there are sperm. Sperm, also known as spermatozoa, refer to the reproductive cells of an organism. While it may appear somewhat like shampoo to the naked eye, it looks quite different under the microscope. Typically, 1 drop of semen contains around 3 million sperm. Although only 1 sperm is used for reproduction, the reason why the body produces so many sperm is truly a matter of speculation. Additionally, among all these sperm cells, there are countless immature sperm. However, among these millions of sperm, only 1 healthy and strong sperm fertilizes the egg. Secondly, there are eyes. Among the greatest gifts bestowed by Allah is the eye. Its significance is immeasurable. While it may seem extremely delicate from the outside, when observed under a microscope, a completely different picture emerges. Inside the eye, there are countless cells, giving the impression of entering a different planet. Furthermore, when we observe the lens of the eye, it appears somewhat like a black hole under a microscope. Indeed, through this lens, we can observe the wonders of the universe. Then there is the tongue. The tongue is an essential organ for food intake. Without the tongue, we would not be able to taste any kind of food. While the tongue may seem somewhat delicate to the naked eye, under a microscope, we see that it consists of numerous peaks and valleys. We can taste different flavors in different parts of this tongue. However, when it comes to a tiger's tongue, we see a different picture. Because a microscope is not needed for a tiger's tongue. Even with the naked eye, we can see the peaks and valleys. Since childhood, we have heard that plants prepare food using sunlight, but we haven't seen how they do it. In reality, when we place plant leaves under a microscope, there are many tiny pores on the leaves. They resemble human pores. These pores constantly absorb sunlight and other essential elements from the environment and transport them inside the plant through the leaves. Through this process, the plant prepares its food.
Chalk. Even in our everyday school, college, and children's educational activities, chalk is used to measure accurately. Although it may feel somewhat natural and smooth to see chalk with bare eyes, using a microscope reveals a different aspect. In this case, it can be seen that through various activities on large stones, a pattern is created. And it is with such countless stones that the formation of chalk occurs.